All right, time for some Monday birthdays. On this beautiful Monday morning, we begin in Oswego with Mason's Whalen. Now, Mason's birthday was actually on Saturday, so of course that means that Mason's been celebrating all weekend long as he turns 8 years old. Happy birthday.
All right, and we've got Rikers Wallen celebrating birthday number 8 as well. Did you just do both of them?
I
Okay.
probably, I didn't, but I should.
Okay,
but,
so Mason and Riker both celebrating. Riker is Mason's cousin. His birthday was yesterday.
They were both born less than 12 hours apart from each other.
Yeah,
What are
that's
the
pretty
odds? That is really cool.
And Landon Omi celebrating a birthday today. I understand that I don't have it on my paper, but Landon is 9 years old.
Happy birthday, Landon. Told you this Monday's off. We've also got Addie Borjas in Humboldt turning 14. Addie, a very happy birthday to you today.
And Landon Akey is Sweet 16 this year in Neosho. And Landon is our traffic assistant, Debbie Haynes' grandson.
Well, happy Sweet 16 to you, Landon. Another Sweet 16 for Josh Helton. Birthday was on September the 18th, so we're a little bit behind. So that just means Josh has been celebrating for quite some time. So happy birthday to you, Josh.
All right. Bailey Bland celebrating birthday number 17 this year. Bailey is in Pittsburgh with love from Uncle Jamie and Katie.
And we also have Lindsay Roberts Cavanis, who's turning 25 in the O Show. Lindsay, a very happy birthday to you.
Elizabeth O'Neill celebrating birthday number 34 this year in Fredonia. We call her Lizzie.
And we've got Bill Harvey celebrating birthday number 62 in Pittsburgh. Bill, this comes with love from the family. Happy birthday, Bill.
And in Columbus, Debbie Clower celebrating birthday number 65 this year.
And we've got Janie Works celebrating birthday number 73 in Humboldt. Janie, a very happy birthday to you.
And Rose and Ruth, twins, Rose Lloyd, Ruth Sullivan, are celebrating their 80th birthday. Love the throwback picture there. That's awesome. They are in West Mineral. And happy birthday, ladies.
All right. We've also got Phyllis Costin turning 84 in Altamont. Very happy birthday to you, Phyllis.
Earl Carlson celebrating birthday number 89 in Elsmore, Kansas.
And we've got Carrie McKenzie in Columbus celebrating a birthday as well. Happy birthday, Carrie.
Joyce Jacobs in Pittsburgh, belated birthday wishes going out to Joyce.
And we've got Ryan and Megan Sodeman celebrating their 17th wedding anniversary on Saturday. A big celebration because that's, it's all weekend long for Ryan and Megan Sodeman on their 17th in Pittsburgh.
And our very own Jalen Banks. He's our weekend anchor and reporter here at the station. Happy birthday, Jalen.
We know that guy. We've seen him once or twice here on the morning show. He's about as tall as you are, which makes me extremely short. Or perhaps I'm average and you two are extremely tall.
Jalen's actually a little bit taller than me.
Yeah, that is true. That is very true. Well, Jalen, happy birthday to you. And our list continues with Bill Hilbrandt turning 87 in Iola. Bill, a very happy birthday to you. Dennis Cooper celebrating in La Harpe, Kansas. Dennis is Bill's son. And then Gilbert and Carol Frobish celebrating their 63rd wedding anniversary in Joplin. Happy anniversary and birthday to all of you.
All right, and you can submit your birthdays to us. It's quite simple. Use our email, birthdays@komtv.com or birthdays@komnewsnow.com.
And why don't you head over to our website after the show is over at komnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It is easy to do. You get cool birthday announcements from us. You also get some great deals from local businesses. All you need to do is go over to komnewsnow.com, sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today. All right.